Are you hungry for a pizza? Look no further because me, Muhammad Rayzard, is going to show you how to make a pizza made out of bread. Let's go into it. For the ingredients that we need, 1 slice of bread, enough butter to cover the bread, 2 to 3 sausages, 2 to 3 nuggets, enough ketchup to cover the bread, and shredded cheese or cheese slices as much as you want, and an onion. Then for the utensils, an optional cooking tong, a knife, a cheese shredder, a cutting board, and lastly an oven toaster. Firstly, on our cutting board, we chop up our sausages into thin slices. Secondly, we chop up our nuggets into smaller pieces. After that, we cut an onion in half and peel off the skin. Then we chop up our onion into small slices. After all of that, we move on to the bread and add some butter to the bread and then spread it around. Then we'll add some ketchup and spread it evenly throughout the bread. Then we put our nuggets, sausages, and our onions to our bread. After that, we shred our cheese and put it on top of our bread. Also, an optional thing, you can add a slice of cheese for more cheesiness. After all of that, it's time to put it inside of our oven toaster. It is recommended to put it inside for 30 to 45 minutes or just 20 minutes if you want it fast. Voila! After 30 to 45 minutes or 20 minutes, you have yourself your homemade pizza made out of bread. As a cherry on top, you can add a little bit more ketchup or even your hot sauce. The cheese should be melted while the sausages and nuggets should be quite cooked up. And there you have it, your homemade pizza made out of bread. That is it for me. Goodbye. See you guys later.